Okay, good morning everyone. I am in Leamington Spa. Leamington Spa today. So I've come here today, Leamington Spa, because I am seeing this chap here, Dan, Elegant Bespoke Living. Found Dan on Facebook and we've had a bit of a chat. We spoke about a few ideas. Basically, he has a CNC machine and a lot of good kit in his workshop, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, the reason I want this CNC machine is because I would like the cladding effect. However, cladding wise, I just think there's too much movement in a van. You get the extreme colds, the extreme heat, wood warps. I just think it would be too much movement. So what I'm going for is 9mm ply, and then going to router out 9mm, router out a 3mm groove, so that it looks like tongue and groove without it being tongue and groove. It's a solid bit of wood, just look really good. So I've spoken to Dan. We spent a bit of time this morning just going through the design, and I'll tell you what we've done. Okay, I've come into the van. One, because it's too windy. Two, because it's blimmin' freezing out there. So basically now I've been sat with Dan a good couple of hours, and he has brought up the van, made all the measurements, put them into his laptop machine, well, his laptop, which will then feed into the CNC machine. So what he's done is he's taken all the measurements, I say all the intricate bits like the window, we're going to square off around here. All these bits that you can't see because of this, but all these are going to be accounted for. Wheel arches. On this side we're bringing it up so it comes again down the window all the way down to there. He's taken into account the joins. Really impressed. So it's about to get put on the machine now. I've gone for them to be primed as well, so he's going to prime them with his spray gun, put them through the CNC machine, and then prime them again, maybe with another coat. So that really it's just then a case of fitting them, putting them in, and yeah, it's just going to be like a jigsaw. Like I say, I know what bits go where, so I'm just going to screw them into my battens and they should screw in nicely. I'm not going to have to worry about scribing anything. I'm not going to have to worry about making them join correctly. It all should hopefully be easy enough to fit. So I'm going to take you on a tour of the workshop so you can have a little look. Here I've got all my boards that are primed, ready to go through the machine. As you just saw, there was a little sneak peek at the one already going on the machine. So Dan has input all the measurements into the machine, put out where he wants the grooves or the overlaps. So Dan has done all the hard work, and then the machine just does it. So once that's all put in, it's literally a case of push and go on the machine, and then it cuts it all nicely.
come out of a Campervan as well. Oh, you can admit it. That's all right.
Passenger rear. Sliding door. And we've got the driver's side.